This is a review of the replacement crossbody purse strap that I purchased from Amazon. This is in the beige starry sky design and I couldn't be happier with it. There are several patterns to choose from, but this one really stood out because it goes so well with my purse color. The strap is 2 inches wide and it extends from 29 to 52 inches. You can adjust the strap right here and then wear it however long you like. The way that I replaced my old strap was I took it off and then I just snapped this one into place. And I think it's really cute. I love the design. It looks great with my purse. And I think the quality is nice too. It's soft. The strap itself is soft and it's comfortable to wear on my shoulder. And the gold hardware is nice. You can use this strap anywhere. I've been using it to work, to run errands, to dinner. It's my go-to everyday purse. And I'm really glad I found it.